Today, we're diving deep into a true American icon, the all-new Chevrolet Corvette 2026, the ultimate definition of raw American power, precision, and legacy. Before we hit the gas, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Drive Dynamic for more heart-pounding automotive content straight from the roads that define nations. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming. Now, let's talk about the Corvette. This isn't just a car. This is America on wheels. It's bold, it's fast, it's loud, just the way we like it. The 2026 Chevrolet Corvette is a masterpiece born in the land of freedom, built by generations of passion, sweat, and engineering excellence. Every curve of the body, every growl of the engine, screams United States muscle. You can feel the DNA of American roads running through its veins, from Route 66 to the Pacific Coast Highway. Under the hood, this beast is armed with a brand new V8 engine pushing out jaw-dropping horsepower that leaves competitors in the dust. Whether you're on a straight drag or carving through mountain passes, the Corvette 2026 gives you the thrill only America can engineer. The acceleration is instant. The sound is thunder. It's not just performance, it's a statement. And the design, it's pure American aggression with a futuristic twist. Sleek aerodynamics, razor-sharp lines, and a presence that demands attention. This is the kind of car you see once and never forget. The LED signature lights, carbon fiber elements, and wide body stance are crafted not just for beauty, but for domination. It's not just good looking, it's built to conquer. Inside, the cabin is a celebration of American craftsmanship. Premium leather, advanced digital displays, fighter jet-inspired controls, everything is driver-focused, everything is precision-made. It's luxury that doesn't forget it's a performance machine. From Apple CarPlay to a next-general HUD system, it's futuristic, but still proudly American at heart. But what truly sets the Corvette 2026 apart is not just the specs or design, it's the emotion. It's the feeling when you grip that steering wheel, hear that engine roar, and know you're part of a legacy. This is the heartbeat of the United States, captured in a machine. It's for those who dream big, drive hard, and never settle. It's not a car for the faint-hearted, it's for the bold, the brave, the red, white, and blue soul. So buckle up, America. The 2026 Chevrolet Corvette isn't coming, it's already here. And it's ready to rewrite the rules of performance once again. This isn't just any sports car. This is America's sports car, reborn. Thanks for watching Drive Dynamic. Stay with us for more pure American power, and don't forget, this is where legends ride.